guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something new for you guys. This is a sponsored video and I'm so very happy, so I would like to say a special thanks to Javy. And they are a microdose coffee concentrate company, and I'm so happy that they reached out to me because I am a Starbucks fanatic. I am, and I only drink iced coffee. In case you guys did not know, I do not like hot coffee. I really don't like hot drinks. So basically everything that I get from Starbucks is going to be iced. It's either going to be iced matcha, iced chai tea, iced latte, things of that nature, you know? So this is pretty cool that they reached out to me. So basically, let me tell y'all what they are all about. So I know you guys are pretty much like, what the hell? Like, this is not gonna, like, this little bottle of coffee, what's this gonna do for you, girl? Well, actually, it is 30 servings in this bottle. And basically, this company was made by two guys who basically thought that like it wasn't enough instant coffees out there that had the exact same flavor as when you, like, you know, do your little coffee beans. So, you know, the old fashioned way of making coffee. So they decided to find a way to make an instant coffee that has the exact same amount of power that coffee gives you, like super strong. So with this, they made it as a concentrate, therefore you don't need much. So I'm not gonna pour this. I'm gonna be using my K-Spade tumbler. You're not gonna pour this whole bottle in there to make it your coffee. No, you're not. So what you're gonna do is you're either gonna take water. You can take any liquid of your choice. It says the directions are on the back. You can use water, you can use milk, you can use oat milk, you can use almond milk. Today, my choice of milk is almond milk. I do not drink regular milk, I drink almond milk. So I'm gonna use almond milk. And then you only gonna need whatever liquid you choose to do. You can use water if that's what you would like to do. And then you're gonna take between 1 and 2 teaspoons of this coffee concentrate, and that's gonna be your coffee. Okay, and then you can add all your fun stuff like your caramel, your white chocolate, mocha, your creamers, sugar, whatever you like to do. And that's how we're finna do it. So we're finna get right into it. Also, sorry about that. Also with this, if you are trying to do low diet, like low calorie, low carb diet, I have seen that, I mean, well, in the servings list and the ingredients and stuff, they're saying that there is 0 carbs, 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 sodium, 0 protein. It's 100 milligrams of caffeine per serving size, which is 1 to 2 teaspoons. I have seen a lot of people who are on the keto diet use this, although it's not like helping the keto diet, because in the keto diet you need high fats, no carbs type of situation, and this has 0 fats. It's not hindering your keto diet because it doesn't have any carbs in it. So yeah, so this is also great for, like, if you wanted to use it as a pre-workout. You know, some people like coffee in the morning and, you know, use it as a pre-workout. Okay, so get into it. I'm gonna just make it because I like iced coffee. It don't gotta be in the morning time, because right now it's not the morning. I'm just let y'all know that now. But I like to do what I like to do. So let's get into it. So I got my tumbler. I got my ice. So I'm gonna pour my ice up in here. And then I'm going to pour my almond milk. We get our almond milk from Sam's because it comes 2 in a pack, these big sizes. And they do not, expire fast. I know some do. So I just filled my almond milk up to like right here. And then put that back on here. And now I'm just going to take 2 teaspoons of this. 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And y'all, it smells like coffee. So that's that. This back up. They also have different flavors. I went on the website. You guys can go on the website. They have different flavors of this. This is just the regular coffee one, but I saw they had like caramel. Pretty sure they have other flavors. They also sell like milk frothers. I'm gonna buy one because I want a milk frother, because I always get cold foam, vanilla cold foam on top of my coffee, my iced coffee at Starbucks. So I'm getting me a frother, honey. I want to be like the bougie. Yeah, my boyfriend upstairs is playing Call of Duty. Please ignore him. But yeah, so I want to be like the TikTokers, frothing up my little creamer and putting it on top of my coffee in the morning, you know. They sell travel tumblers, travel mugs, and I'm gonna show you something else that they sell in just a minute. But I do see that they do have like I said, caramel flavor. They have vanilla flavor, mocha flavor. So you guys can go in there and you guys can choose. And you guys, I think this is way better than going and buying, like, because I would normally buy instant coffee. So, you know, like my already iced coffee, I would already buy it in the gallon, but you go through those really fast. And this says it has 30 servings. So we about to see. So right now, let me show you guys. This is what it's looking like without me stirring it. So I'm about to stir it up. My phone. I'm about to stir it up for you so you guys can see the color. Definitely giving coffee. Now you do have to remember that I did mix mine with milk, but if you mix yours with water, it will be way darker. But that's what it's giving. Ooh, I zoomed in. I did not mean to do that. Okay. All right. So that's that. And then now, actually, let me taste it for you real quick. Now, I'm not one of them coffee drinkers that don't like sweet. I like my coffee to be less sweet. So, I might make a little face, but I'm going to let y'all know if it tastes like coffee for all the coffee drinkers out there. Definitely giving coffee. Black. Oh, Jesus. Went down the wrong pipe. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Starbucks Pumpkin Spice Creamer. One of my favorites. So, put that in there. And then I'm just gonna mix that bad boy on up. Okay. Yeah, it's hitting. It's hitting. Get you some, okay? Get you some. Oh yeah. I ain't buying no more damn iced coffees, okay? So also, they sell these little bags. Cute, right, huh? Guess what's inside of them? They have cute straws, guys. Like, come on now. I love these straws. If you go look in my silverware cabinet, I have a ton of these kind of straws. We do not buy the throwaway straws. You know, I'm trying to save the planet, okay? So we love these reusable straws, and I love that I finally have a pouch that I can put them in my bag. I can put them in my purse. So it comes with a straight one that's a gold with a green top, and then the curved one. And it also comes with a cleaner. So I can add that to my little collection of cleaners for straws because I need them. Yeah, so that is cool. Go look on that website. I'll have all their links down below in the description box. Make sure you go look in the description box. I know a lot of people don't look these days, but make sure you go look in the description box so that you can find the link and you can go buy and purchase your own Javy coffee, whatever else you would like, tumblers, frothers, straws, you know. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Javy, for sending me over these goodies. The coffee is amazing, honey. And I will be recommending it to all of my friends, okay? So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Oh, by the way, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're hitting that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. And you know, you guys might want to be a little nice and, you know, leave a like and comment something really nice down below. Like, girl, your hair cute. Girl, that Javy coffee look good. Girl, you finna save me some money because I ain't got to keep going to the store to buy me more iced coffee because I done ran out. You know, something like that nature. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you.